Okay, welcome back everyone. Trendline Forex here. It is Friday today, 4th of October, and that only means we're gonna have a look at Bitcoin. This is what we do on this channel every single week. We talk about euro dollar, we talk about gold and Bitcoin, plus a lot more valuable information. If you think that's gonna help your trading, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Like I said, this is all completely for free, and you get weekly updates on price action of those three instruments. But back to the video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin today mainly. So, I want to take it a while back. This is the daily time frame here on Bitcoin, and you can see the first quarter of this year, February, March, we've had this massive bullish impulse taking price all the way up to around 74k. Now, since then, to be honest, we've been trading pretty much sideways. Okay, now we did have price breaking below the previous low right here, and that was around the beginning of July this year. And since then, we've tested those lows on a few occasions. Now, what has recently happened is what I want to emphasize on, what we need to talk about today. Now, going back down to the 4-hour time frame here, we've had the low formed right around the 50,000 level. We then had a bullish move, and we then formed a higher low. So I feel like we're soon about to break above that whole range, and price will be heading back towards the previous highs. First around, down here around 66,000, then around 70,000, and eventually we're maybe gonna be looking for targets above all-time highs. But there's plenty of time until that happens. First, we need to focus on what we currently have. So, like I said, price broke above the previous high right here, formed a pullback, and I'm looking for a potential higher low forming up as we speak. Now, this is the 4-hour time frame. We're currently trading around the 61,200 level, and we've got NFP today. Even though this is not a very important event for Bitcoin specifically, I'm expecting to see weak US dollar across all the instruments. And if we see that, then that probably means we're going to see a push to the upside here on Bitcoin. Okay, now we're currently trading at the 38.2 retracement level. There is a potential that we may continue this pullback down towards the 61.8 level, which means around the 58,000 level, or we could be looking for potential reversal right around 61,200 level where we're currently trading at. Okay, and so if that's going to be the case, then going down to the 1-hour time frame, a good confirmation whether this upside move will start from current price levels will be to look for a break above previous structure. So on the 1-hour time frame, we've got this structure right here, those most recent highs. So if, let's say, price breaks above those highs, comes back for a retest, it gives a good entry confirmation. That could be anything. Then you can look for potential continuation. Depending on that reversal, you can use a more aggressive stop loss just below that reversal, or you can use a stop loss below this low that we just saw on the 4-hour time frame. But this is definitely going to give you a really good risk to reward ratio, because we're not only going to be looking for price to retest the 66,000 level, or basically those previous highs, but like I said, we can go all the way up to and place our targets up around the 70,000 level as well. Okay, now like I said, there is a chance that we may continue slightly lower and then look for that reversal. So for me personally, right now is not the best time to enter. I know that price is currently where I want it to be, and where I'm eventually going to be looking for some sort of market reaction, but I don't yet have this. Okay, now we can drop slightly lower, we can form some rejection wicks, just like we have here and here as well, and you can see that happening plenty of times. Price trading around a specific level, it then forms some rejection wicks and it then goes back to the upside, or that could happen in the opposite direction as well. But anyways, anywhere between the 61,200 level and down to around 58,000 level, this is where I'm looking for that reversal back to the upside. Okay, and this is what it could be looking for as well. And if we go back to the daily time frame, those Fibonacci levels have affected price action here on Bitcoin. Obviously not just on Bitcoin. This is something that works across all instruments and could be applied with any strategy. But we've done this plenty of times. Now, even if I drop my Fibonacci from this low up here to swing high, you can see that we had this reaction down around the 61.8 level again. Okay, and you know, if you go back in time and you see how many times we've reacted to those levels, you will get confidence to use this too in your own trading, and you know, kind of rely on those levels to really give you those precise entries. And so let's say we go back down to the 1 hour time frame. The initial move right here, if I drag another Fibonacci 2 from swing high, swing low down up here to swing high, we've got a perfect reaction here of the 38.2 Fibonacci level. Okay, so we're looking at this bit of price action right here, and then we've got the continuation. So right here was the 38.2 level. That was another trading opportunity, you know, that could be taken. So this is pretty much what I'm looking for here on Bitcoin. And so let me just do that. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this in a minute. But let's move on to Ethereum and see what we have here. Now, very similar situation, but if I have to be honest, Bitcoin to me looks much better at the moment. But you know, we've got the initial move right here. We've got the higher low, another higher high. We haven't yet broken above those previous highs, but you know, again, I'm going to be expecting for price to continue higher if we see that reversal on Bitcoin as well. Now, if that setup that we just looked at on Bitcoin gets confirmed with the news later on today on US market open, then you know, we're probably going to be looking for an upside continuation here on Ethereum as well. And again, I've got the Fibonacci 2 from swing low up here to swing high. Where is that reversal currently happening? Right around the 61.8 level. Okay, so like I said, those levels are very, very strong levels that you know, you can use with any type of analysis, any type of instrument, in any type of market as well. Okay, so you know, watch out for potential reversal points around current price levels here on Ethereum as well. Now, obviously, we've got some more you know, trading opportunities, high probability trading opportunities, I would say, on the rest of the instruments here as well, gold including, and we talk about all that on a daily basis in our premium Telegram channel. So if you want to join and receive daily updates on all the instruments that you see on my watch list, you know, just send us a message, join our free Telegram channel. That's where you can find all of our contacts, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So that's all for me for today. Leave a comment down below this video, hit that like button, let us know what else you want to see from us on this channel. But we've got plenty of videos, so make sure to check it out, and I'm pretty sure you'll find some helpful and valuable information on there. I'll see you next time.